we have a truck driver who passed away. He was found in his truck. And Mississippi evidently has this presumption that the injury or the death is in the course of employment. It's called the found dead presumption. That doesn't exist in Ohio. It's kind of a unique name for a presumption, but the found dead presumption didn't apply. And the reason why the court found that and this was in Mississippi, why it didn't apply is because the injured worker, or the deceased worker rather in this case, had deviated from employment. And so if, I guess in this situation, he had no job related task for 6 days prior to his death. He was explicitly ordered to vacate his truck by his manager, and he did not do that. And he wasn't medically cleared to remain, and he refused employer's assistance and to leave, and he remained in his truck. And so, which was against the truck company's policy. And I guess the situation he was feeling kind of sick, and he was like, hey, I'm kind of sick. I'm feeling not really great. And the trucking company, JB Hunt's like, hey dude, stop working, go to the hospital, get checked up. And what this guy ended up saying is he's like, I gotta stay working to pay my bills. And eventually, again, 6 days later, he was found dead in his truck. And so the question is, so this is Mississippi. They didn't find that he had a workers' comp claim there. And would this be allowed in Ohio, or would the decedent's spouse or children have a death benefits claim in Ohio? The problem in this situation is you would have to causally, the challenge would be you would have to causally relate that individual's death to his job. There's no found dead presumption in Ohio, and so you would need a medical expert to causally relate truck driving or being in the cab all day to the death. So, he was in the cab all day, excessive hours, etc. That caused the heart attack, and you would need a cardiologist or somebody to make that connection. To be frank, I don't think this would be allowed in Ohio as well, but it wouldn't be because of deviation. It would be because there would be no causal connection between the death and the work injury. Just merely, it's kind of, just because you die on the job doesn't mean it's a workers' comp claim or a death benefits claim in this situation. So tragic situation, but that's kind of my read on this case.